As Contracting Authority Administrator, you can create other user profiles in e-tendering. They can be either Contracting Authority Administrators or CFT creators. Users can also be allowed to integrate their account with the e-submission platform, meaning that they can perform actions linked to the electronic submission of offers when relevant. So what do these users do? Contracting Authority Administrators can create and edit as many user profiles as they need. CFT creators can create CFTs. Let's modify a user's roles in the system. For this, you need to be a Contracting Authority Administrator and have the following information. Firstly, the user's first and last name. Secondly, the role you want them to have. Will they be a Contracting Authority Administrator or a CFT creator? Thirdly, the name of the contracting authority the user will be part of. And finally, whether the user will be allowed to integrate their account with the e-submission platform. It's also helpful to know their username. Go to the e-tendering back office and log in. Click on Create a private user. Click on Search for a user. Before creating a new user or editing a user's roles, e-tendering needs to know if the user is already in the system. Fill in at least one field in the search form and click on Search. In the search results, click on the option button next to your preferred user and click on Select. If the user already exists, you'll see a message that says, "The selected user is already a private user. You have been redirected to the edit page." In that case, you can proceed to the next step. But if the user doesn't exist, please contact the system administrator. Users may already be Contracting Authority Administrators and CFT creators for other contracting authorities. Tick one or more checkboxes, depending on the roles you want the user to have. If the user is not allowed to integrate their account with the e-submission platform, the parts of the CFT and e-tendering that relate to e-submission won't be available to that user. This option can also be modified later. Once you've selected the roles, click on Save at the bottom of the page. Repeat the process until you've created all the users and roles you need.